Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am showing you how to create this type of abstract typography animation in After Effects. So let's dive in. First, create a new composition and name it to Text Edit. Now, write some text I am using. Poppins Light font, align the text in the center. Now select region of interest and draw a mask around text. Then go to Composition and select Crop Comp to region of interest. Now create another comp, 1920 by 1080, and name it to Render Comp. Drag the text Edit Comp into it. Now go to Effects and preset Apply Motion Tile Effect on Text Edit Comp. Change the output width to 3000 and output height, also 3000. Select Layer and press S to open Scale property and set it to 80%. Now press R for rotation and set the angle to 15. And press P to bring down the position property and take a keyframe at starting, and after 4 seconds, change the position of text. Now trim the comp to work area. Select keyframes and hit F9 or right-click to easy ease them. Now go to Graph Editor and set the graph something like me. Now, right-click, take a new adjustment layer, then go to Effects and preset Apply CC Emister Mercury Effect on Adjustment Layer. Now change some settings, set the radius X220 and radius Y200. Producer to 960 by 960. Velocity 0.5. Birth rate 20. Longevity 1. Gravity 0.5. Resistance 20 extra 20. Now set the animation to fire. Blob birth size 0.80, blob death size 1. Now preview it. So that's the end of today's video. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.